Ladies and gentlemen, Crestshield!
Crestshield is strategically located in Moniya Road, one of the fastest developing areas in Ibadan today. And here are some of the reasons why you want to own a piece or an acre of this property.
1. Proximity to so many government infrastructures such as the Moniya train station, the Moniya dry wharf, the proposed Omitutu business district and the popular circular road.
Number 2, its price. Crestshield is currently selling at a whopping 40% discount to the first 10 subscribers who subscribe to this estate. You want to be a smart investor? This is the right time.
3. Proximity to the express. Crestshield currently sits along the Moniya road, and yet the road to the estate is very motorable.
In recent years, Ibadan has steadily reported a 20% appreciation in real estate value statewide. But guess what? The Moniya road is the fastest developing area in the entire area. Why? Lots of government infrastructure and general demand. Trust me, you do not want to be the one buying 10 years from now.
5. Flexible payment plan. On Crestshield, you can pay as long as 3 months, 6 months and even 1 year.
To subscribe to this wonderful piece of real estate, send us a DM or call the number on your screen. We'll see you on our locations there.